Good morning, everyone. 2 मिनट आप सभी बैठ जाइए 2 मिनट. For a long time we are celebrating Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program, and under this program today I'll tell you something about Indian history and its diversity. So first of all, before I start my speech on Indian history and its diversity, I want to know that why do we study history? Anyone please tell me, why do we study history? Yes. To know our past, to learn from our past. Anything else? Whatever you think, whatever you have your opinion, you just tell me. To know the sacrifices of our past. So these three opinions are enough to get discussion on it. So history tells us about our culture, tells us about how our past is rich and how we have gone through the process of to become a better person. So in Indian history tells us that how we were and how we are now and how we will become. So आपके सभी like 6th class, 7th class, 8th class आपके पास आर पास्ट एक बुक है, उस हमारे अतीत, उसमें आप लोग पढ़ते हो. So in a brief, in a nutshell, if I tell you, हमारी जो हिस्ट्री है बहुत रिच है and it has diversity. In the sense of diversity, we have different cultures, different religions, every kind of culture different in under one country. That is our power, that is our unity. So Indian history is divided into 3 parts. Can anyone tell me which are 3 parts of Indian history? Indian history divided into ancient Indian history, medieval Indian history, and modern Indian history. So इन नटसेल मैं आप सभी को एक ही कोट बताऊंगा जिससे आप सभी समझ जाएंगे कि हमारी हिस्ट्री कैसी है. हम उस देश के नागरिक हैं जिसमें छत्रपति शिवाजी का बोलबाला था. हम उस देश के नागरिक हैं जहां बूंदे ले हर बोलो के मुख हम सुनते कहानी थे, और जो खूब लड़ती थी मर्दानी वो झांसी वाली